I've released a brand new, totally free ebook for you called Creative Strategies for Finishing More Music. It features some of the world's top underground producers sharing their inside tips on how to be prolific, handle creative pressure, turn your inspiration into finished tracks, and give yourself that important edge in the music industry. It's totally free, so bag yourself a copy at finishmoremusic.com/ebook. So why did I put this together? Well, quite simply, when it comes to consistently finishing more and better music, one of the most powerful things you can do is reach out to pros and mentors for guidance. All it takes is a few words to show you where the biggest wins are, and in the process save you months of second guessing yourself and going round in circles. I'm always inviting top music producers into FMM to host masterclasses, open up their DAW projects and share their inside tips. So rather than keep it all behind closed doors, I decided to create a high impact resource that everyone can benefit from. The ebook has 15 pages rammed with insights and workflows from some of the world's biggest underground music producers, including John 00 Fleming, Shlomi Abba, Claude Young Jr. and Mark Jenkins, and there's loads more. The ebook is totally free for you, so dive over to finishmoremusic.com/ebook and grab yourself a copy now.